So as you can see, the water is coming down in ripples on this end, and right here there are no ripples. It comes around the corner here and goes down, but it also is running in ripples up here. So it's quite odd how the rain is coming down on a slope and it ripples here, and on a larger incline there's very few ripples coming down in the same fashion at the same time. And you can also see how it's all converging in one location. As I walk up this way, it's literally at this point that the rain falls normally, but then as we turn down here, we see the ripples and how it changes. So I turn slowly, and there's nothing from the point that I'm standing here, and from this point you see that there's ripples. There's some that go this way, they head off, and then as we walk down, the road curves and it turns, the water flow goes directly into my place. But first we see a collection here where we have a significant, the rain is slowing down now, but we see a significant stream of water, and this really isn't that bad of a rainfall, but it goes, and it goes into this driveway and saturates it, but you can see how the water is now turning. And if we follow the path of the water, it goes directly into the hill that the Sunrise View houses are at. But what I wanted to show is that if you walk into the Teagues driveway at 22 Slopeview Road, you can see what's happening to the erosion from the water with his personal area, and you can see that the wall that his parking area is on is actually deflecting from the water pressure that is building up. And that might not be the best angle because we have a light here, but I think I can get a better angle. So you can see at the bottom of this, the water is seeping through the bottom. You have all these pipes that we've tried to reroute the water over the last year, and it's very unsuccessful. I'm going to walk back up through Mr. Teague's area, and I'm going to go over and show you a view of the deflecting wall that his parking area is on, because I think that from my angle you can quite certainly see the deflecting aspect of it. might be too dark again, and that light is causing it to not, but the water is collecting in that area right there, and it's literally pushing the wall, which is the same exact thing that is happening in my basement. So my basement is deflecting the water, and then that's happening, but then also you have a situation where the water is coming down. It's going into the parking lot there. It's then going down into the basement of my house. And then it's also, if you walk down, you can see the deck on mine. All of those pillars are now bowed. And they're bowed towards Sugar Mountain, which means that the water is coming from here. It's going down through this area, and it's pushing that out. But furthermore, it's also coming, seeping through this area here. And the erosion over the past few years in this area is unbelievable. And a good example of what's happened is if you go onto my deck and you look at this tree, and you look at the limbs that are displayed now, and like I said, it might be too dark. It actually is too dark to see. I can take it in another time when it's sunny out. But you can see also that we have pipes that are running all the way along the house trying to get rid of the water. But the water is seeping through this mountain and going down to this particular area and going into the road down there, and you can see the erosion as well. This might be an angle that you can see the deflecting and the bowing of the pillars that are holding up the deck and basically bracing the house. This one is not as bowed as the last, but I think that maybe if I take pictures during the day, it might be a better idea of what's happening here. You can also see that there is some drainage trying to happen there and all the way down there. The area that is here is what is supposed to be what I think is a area to collect water, and as you can see, after a very serious downfall, there's only a small bit. This is supposed to be the holding tank that then the water flows into and goes out into the road, but the water is just not collecting. It's definitely running and pushing into the houses.